Hi guys, Bob here from Bob's Backyard. Just trying to start something new here, and I do a little bit of everything. Mechanics, photog, bit of gardening, house maintenance, etc, etc. But today, as the title says, I'm showing the temperature gauge of a compost bin, just a regular compost bin, reaching over 120 degrees. Hopefully I can show you that right now. The temperature gauge is actually in the compost. I've had it there for the compost for about 2 weeks now, and it mainly consists of just simply leaves and sticks and about 50-50 mixed with horse manure. It's 2 weeks it's been sitting. I'm fortunate to get the horse manure for nothing, and I've also got plenty of leaves from the gum trees in my yard. As you can see, the one behind me, it's quite a big specimen. I've got 2 of them actually, so we got a lot of sticks falling off these 2. They fall into the yard and I rake them up and use them for all sorts of things. But I'm going to walk over here to the compost bin. The thermometer's in there, so there's no trickery going on here. Just to show that a temperature in a normal compost bin can reach over 100 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to about 220 degrees Fahrenheit. So here we go. So I'll just adjust this a bit down there. It's a bit tricky to get a hold of the light. I can adjust that, and hopefully, it's only 2 weeks old. Got my thermometer down here. It's been sitting there for as long as this video plus some, but we'll see if I can get this up to the camera and get it in focus quickly before the temperature goes down. I'll have to turn now the autofocus off so I can manually focus this. I'll just turn that there. I'll flip the screen around so I can see what I'm doing. I've got to manually focus this out to there. So that's in blurry, but this is pretty sharp forward. I'm going to grab this now and try and line this up, and we can see this temperature quickly before it rolls down. And that's feeling quite warm. So there we go, there's the 100 degree mark. Just in there, there's the 100 degree mark, and you see that blue is up near it. It was up a little bit higher. So proof of a 100 degree plus. That's a particular thermometer that reads up to 400 degrees, because if I use the standard thermometer, which only goes up to 50, these are going to explode. So there we go. I hope you're able to see that. Autofocus. That light up a bit. So yeah, the good thing about the compost reaching those temperatures is it kills all the weed seeds in the compost, and it kills the pathogens. So a nice simple leaves and sticks. Just this stuff that's on the ground gets raked up. I'll pull the bigger sticks out of it. I'll get the trailer load or a few barrows of horse manure, munch that up, put 6 inches in there, toss it around with the fork, wet it down, get another 6 or 8 inches in there, toss it around, wet it down and build it up. And that's been there for 2 weeks. I'll turn it over again soon. And each month or each couple of weeks I'll turn it over. Then I can use that for my veggie plot, my little veggie plots, and sprinkle it around on some of these shrubs. So there you go, little bit of Bob's Backyard. Hope you enjoy your day.